Hello guys, join me today as I take you through the design presentation of students at DDM Academy, my students. So I took my students on this training for UI UX design, and not just training, mentoring as well. And they were like, today was the day they were able to showcase their project today, which is the 12th of March 2025. So here is the academy. As you can see, we are all setting up. We're setting up the whole thing. It was being set up this morning. The event is to start by 10 a.m. in the morning, and this was around 9 or so. We are setting up the lighting, the chairs, everything was being set up this morning. And apart from that, we are also preparing to hear out the student at DDM, to hear out the student, the UI UX design student present and show us what they have got. So this is the video editor with his team member trying to test the microphone, trying to test the whole thing, the lighting, and to see whether everything is perfect. So that is it, guys. So let me walk you through all that parts of the process of preparation. This is me trying to cover up the whole preparation thing. We are still trying to get set here, so we are still trying to prepare the whole thing. I was just taking a little video, as you can see, to capture the rest of the preparation. And yes, guys, I've actually waited for this day. So the event started with an opening prayer, and I was also called upon to give an overview of what we are gathered here for today. And I talked about what UI UX really entails. So UI UX product design is not just all about designing visually appealing website or mobile application, but also giving top-notch experience while designing those applications, so that users can use those applications seamlessly, and everyone, irrespective of the age or irrespective of the background, can actually use such products. So this is what I was actually explaining here, and also briefing them what my student is what they are going to showcase at this event at DDM Academy. So this is the part where, the host, as you can see her, she's wearing white there. That is Chinecherem there. So she asks few questions about DDM, who can answer questions regarding what DDM is all about, what the company does, and few people were raising up their hands, and some people were able to discuss what the company is really all about. And this is one of the students at a front-end developer student. He also talked about what the company is all about, and it's really impressive that even the student actually knows what the company does and what it entails. So here, this is the moment you have been waiting for. This is a UI UX design student, and she's here to showcase her project. She talked about a lot, like she really did great. She talked about her project, how she started, what she started with. She first started with an introduction of herself and what she have achieved so far in the cohort 4. So she briefly explained her project. She explained the problem statement, and the project is all about the DD Movies app. So we all know that DDM also have their movie aspect, and some of their movies are already out there on YouTube, and so they actually worked on the movies app to design the movies app. So she explained the project starting from the research phase to the ideate phase, and from the research to the define, the ideate, the prototype, the design and the prototype stage. She really talked about in-depthly on what she did, and she also showcase screens of the project she have actually worked on. This was really, really encouraging. She explained about the projects that she have worked on and talked about a lot. She also showcased screens of the project and what she was able to design, come up with, the timeline. She did that, and this was really, really impressive. She actually did a great job. And this is her right now showcasing her low fidelity wireframes. She went ahead to showcase her high fidelity screens as well, how she came up about it, and prototype of the screens. She also showcased prototype of the screens where she was able to link the screens together to showcase it and to test it out for people to be able to understand it. So guys, this was really amazing. So enough of the first presenter. Let's go to the second presenter right now. So the second presenter here, love it, also showcased her project. This was really she really wowed everyone. So they really did a great job, and she was able to make it very brief and explained in details how she came about the project and how she started. That is the DDM Movies app, what prompted the whole thing, the timeline, the process, the design process, how she started, and the whole thing, even the sketches. She was really in depth on her whole process, and this was really amazing. This was amazing. And apart from that, she also showcased the full-fledged project that she have already designed. She showcased it as well as the prototype of the project. As you can see on the screen, here is the prototype, the wireframes, the prototype. She was able to link the screens, and she also showcased all of that and how she came up about it. This was really encouraging, and this was amazing of her. And apart from that, she also pointed out the features that she imputed in the app, which is she came about a way that users can be able to come across different categories of movies they want to watch. If you want to go for the action movie, for the comedy, for the romance, so she outlined all of this on this app. And she also showcased the way whereby users can download the movie, users can decide to pay to subscribe, or to just watch with the ads in it without subscribing. So this was really intense, and a lot of people found it amazing. This was where she finally showcased the prototype screen and how she was able to link the whole screens together. And here is the third and the last student to present online today, in the name of Anastasia. And Annie actually did an excellent job. This was really intense. She showcased the project, her research. She did a research. She came up with personals. She came up with how might we questions. She came up with a lot, and she even drafted out, using her pencil and paper, she drafted out the wireframes. From there, she went to high fidelity wireframes. From there, she came about the low fidelity wireframe, and from there she came about the high fidelity wireframe. This was really amazing of her. She did everything step by step. This is to show that UI UX design or product design is not really all about how beautiful the interface look, but also all about understanding the users. That is why research is there. So this is the project that she designed. She was able to design, and this was really amazing because she also imputed feature whereby an option for kids to be able to watch, and parents should be able to handle and set some features so that to limit what their children can see online. So this was really intellectual, and other features, AI features that she talked about, and this was really amazing. So that was all for the student. Here is the CTO giving an overview of the company and what we stand to gain, and how he was so not just proud, but he was really baffled by how wonderful the students were able to showcase their project. He was amazed. And this is the COO, the Chief Operating Officer of the DDM Academy, and he's here talking about the company as a whole, and excited about this day, and how grateful he is that everything turned out well, and how amazing the students were able to display their project. He was so happy, and that is how the whole thing ended, guys. Thanks for watching till this moment and following up. So in case this was at the end of the event, pictures, cameras and all, in case you want to learn UI UX design, front-end development, back-end, any tech skill, DDM is here. They offer on-site classes, they offer online classes as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.